I'm now going to use the area model for multiplying 3 by 26. It's called the area model because we use a rectangle and it looks a little bit like we're calculating the area. So we're going to put these numbers up here. This is the shorter side, so I'm going to put the smaller number there, the 3. I'm going to put 26 up here, but I'm going to break it up according to its place value. So I'm going to put 20 here, and I'm going to put 6 here, and I'm going to put a line here. So I've got a bigger box here than this box. So we're going to multiply this 3 by each number. 3 times 20 is 60. And that's fairly easy because we know 3 times 2 is 6, and we just put that 0 back on. And 3 times 6 equals 18. So now we've got 20 times 3, we've got 6 times 3. So to find 26 times 3, we're going to add these together. 60 plus 18 equals 78. Now what if I wanted to complicate it a little bit more by doing two-digit numbers? So I can use the area model for that as well. It's going to be a little bit trickier with our computation, but we'll see how we go. So we'll need a big rectangle now, so a bigger one than before. We're going to split both numbers up. So 30 and 4, splitting up according to their place value. Same thing with 26, 20 and 6. My rectangle's a little bit wonky there, but that's okay. I'm going to put these areas here, and we can already see now what the sizes are going to be. We know this one's definitely going to be the biggest, and this one's going to be the smallest. So let's multiply them now. 3 times 20, 3 times 2 is 6, put the 2 zeros on, 600. 30 times 6, 3 times 6 is 18, put the 0 on, 180. 4 times 20, 4 times 2 is 8, put the 0 on, 80. 4 times 6, 24. Now we just need to add all these up. 600 plus 180 plus 80 plus 24 equals, add them up, 780 plus the 80 on, 860 plus the 24, 884. And that is our answer. Our advanced multiplication strategies rely on this essential understanding that we can break numbers up when we multiply. So for example, something like 3 times 12, well that could equal the same as 3 times 6 plus 3 times 6. The reason that works is, if you think about it here, we have 6 threes, we have 6 threes here. How many threes do we have altogether? 12. This is where place value becomes really important. So if we're doing something like 3 times 26, we can split that 26 up into 20 and 6. So it could turn into 3 times 20 plus 3 times 6. By splitting that up into 20 and 6, well, when we split it up to something with 0 on the end, that calculation is going to be quite simple.